Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Love Me hair unboxing video. This is my second wig from them, and I get so many questions and comments about the other wig that I wear from them. So I wanted to do a unboxing and styling video using their wig. This is the same wig as my other curly wig. It's just a bit longer, so I thought it would be just kind of easier to style for you guys here on my channel. So I'm really excited to open this up and show you guys what everything that comes inside of this box and the price of this particular wig, and is it worth buying a wig from lovemehair.com. But before we jump in, don't forget to click down below to subscribe and like, comment, and share. If you order from Love Me Hair, let me know how you like their wigs and what wig did you buy, because I'm looking to get more wigs. And yeah, so just go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Alright guys, so this is the outside of the box. It's really pretty. It has this velvet look to it and kind of similar feel. It's a really nice sturdy box, and then it comes with a bow on the front. So when you open the box, you have a little piece of paper that just says enjoy your hair journey from now on. I guess they're hinting that you won't buy wigs nowhere else except from Love Me Hair. And then from the difference between this box and my last box, the bag was different. I had this, I think, polka dot pink bag versus this one's purple with the logo on there. It's really cute. I feel like this one will last longer than the other one that they sent me. So inside the bag you have just a bunch of goodies that you can use to fix up the wig. And then you have the wig. This bag is still the same, I believe, from my last one. The same color and with the logo. Then you have some lashes. I got lashes last time as well. Same packaging. I think these are different lashes. Yeah, they're different. So these are the ones I got last time. These are the ones I got now. They are different, but they still are really pretty. These are the 3D mink lashes. They're really pretty, and I love. Okay, and you get a wig cap. The last time I got I think a lighter color wig cap, but this one's still a bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm probably not going to use it. You get a elastic band, I think. What is this? It's like a hook and eye elastic band that you can use for your wig to tighten your wig. That's awesome. And then just a card with all the info. Inside this cute little bag here, you get some tweezers to pluck the hairline, bobby pins just in case you need to lace something down, an elastic, just a plain elastic band in case if you don't want to use this one. I did not use this one on my last wig. Even though it's nice, it was just a little bit too tight, and I like that this one gives you a little bit more customization with it. Then you get a rat tail comb and a cute Love Me hair clip. And then lastly, this is different than the last one because the last one I received, I got a headscarf. This one, this is different. This is like a, I guess you can use to lay your edges down. Cute. This is cute. It kind of reminds me of church. Hey.
Be like, now take the offering.
Yeah, this is cute.
How much it was all together?
So this wig cost, so this one cost $196, but I got a discount because they always are doing discounts on their website. So I got this wig for $153. Not bad. The last one I bought for $130 something. And so the difference, the last one was, I think 10 inch. This is a 12 inch. So the 10 inch was about right here. So this one should come about right here. So I got this one for $153, which is not bad because I bought wigs that cost about the same and you didn't get all this stuff, and the quality is not as great. So I do love the quality of the hair from my last wig, and I'm hoping the quality for this wig is going to be the same. So let's open the wig. And like I said, they always have a discount code on their site. that you can save money, and then you can also do the little pinwheel thing where you can get a bigger discount instead of the one that they have on their site. Instead of the one they have on their site where you can save more money on the wig, but their wigs are always pretty much on sale. So $153.
That's cute.
So here she is. It looks just like the other one.
No, not really.
Yeah, the curls are not as tight as the other one. These are a little bit looser. The reason why this one costs a little bit more than the other ones is because this is the ultra thin lace original edition. The water wave is 12 inches and it's the undetectable invisible lace. The knots look like they're pre-bleached somewhat, but you can still go back and bleach them again. I do not bleach my knots. I just use like foundation, but on the last wig I didn't even use foundation on there because you really couldn't see the knots. But I'm gonna show you guys, hopefully. So it also comes with some baby hairs, and the hairline is kind of already pre-plucked. So if you want to pluck it a bit more, and then it comes with the little hooks for the hook and eye elastic band here. So if you just wanted to use this instead of using the other one, you can do that for extra support. It comes with more hooks and combs in the back as well. It comes with combs on the sides, and it has a comb in the middle. So let's go ahead and, I guess, cut the lace and see how it looks on. Okay, so I cut the lace. I just remembered last time I got a wax stick. I'm not sure if it was supposed to come in this box. I don't think I took it out of this box, but I got a wax stick, and this is good to slick down any stray hairs. I believe they're supposed to give you this in every box, but I didn't get it in this one. I'm going to attempt to use this one just so you guys can see how it makes the hair, like how it makes the wig kind of like lay down. I'm going to put it on without any like elastic or anything on there, just to kind of show you guys how the wig feels and fits. All I did was just kind of hook these two hooks at the bottom, just to kind of sit it on there. Okay, so this is what it's like when it's on. As you can see, it's not super secure right here in the front, and that is because the little thing right here is what you use to kind of lay it down. And see, if I was to pull it and it lays down. So I'm going to go ahead and put that band on and then put the wig back on, and then we can go ahead and play around with the baby hairs and stuff. That one's on the very last, like your bra, the last one. It's on the, not the last, not the one that's like on the end, not closer to the bra, but like on the end. And it's still pretty loose. Okay guys, so I decided to switch over to a voiceover so I can quickly explain what I was doing because I was chatting a little too much. So I tried on the wig. I absolutely love how it fit, putting the band on the last like two hooks. So now what I'm going to do is pin the wig back, and I'm going to clip around the ear. So yes, you're going to cut through the hair and through the lace to kind of make the wig go over your ear and lay down nice and flat. So that's what I'm doing here, but please use hair scissors and be very careful when clipping around your ear not to nick yourself. So now that I did that, it looks a lot flatter in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and trim the baby hairs, and I'm using a eyebrow razor because I couldn't find a hair razor, and I'm just cutting down the baby hairs because no one's baby hairs is that long. I mean, maybe somebody is, but mine aren't. So we're just going to go ahead and razor those down to a nice good point, and then we're going to slick to see how they look. So now that the baby hairs are cut, I'm going to go ahead and flip back the lace, and I'm going to apply this extra hold like glue just to kind of lay the lace down. And I do this in front of my hairline so that I don't get it on my hair. And then I'm going to lay down the lace using the back of the rat tail comb and just kind of mush it into my skin so it can blend. And time that lace hit that glue and it starts to bond, you can definitely see where the lace just kind of melts into the skin. It looks so amazing. And now I'm going to go ahead and take some more of that glue gel stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and try to swoop the baby hairs. This is not my forte. I'm not professional, so I'm just doing a quick kind of look for you guys. So now I'm going to take the Love Me hair wrap thing. I'm assuming that's what this is. And I'm going ahead and wrap my edges so they can lay flat for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's been 20 or 30 minutes. The edges are laid. Look at that. You cannot see that lace at all. So I'm going to go ahead and style it really quick. I'm just going to part it on the side to have it kind of going to the side. I'm going to wet it and put some little mousse and add my Love Me clip. The curls in this wig is super gorgeous and pretty. I'm loving how loose they are, and it was so easy to just part, and you can see how the scalp just looks like my scalp. So I'm taking that wax stick and I'm going to go ahead and slick down any stray hairs. You can do this and use your curling wand to lay down any hair. My sister had to help me with the clip because we were struggling a little bit. And we're done. We're just gonna add the clip, and this is the final look of the wig. It looks super cute, and I am loving this style. It's definitely different than the shorter version. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yes, see you guys later. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the Love Me wig. This is the Water Wave in a 12-inch, the Undetectable lace. This is my quick way of how I kind of just style my wigs for everyday wear. I am loving the curls in this wig. It's definitely different than the shorter version, which I will post pictures for you guys to compare this wig to the shorter version, because the curls in this one's a lot looser, I guess because it's longer. But let me know how you feel about this wig down below. I will leave a link for it down below. This particular style usually sells out really fast. So let me know how you guys feel about this video. Like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.